We use Smart Power for our customers, and we recommend Smart Power for our customers because it does such a great job commercially protecting our customers' investment. They trust us with their investment and the large investments that they choose to use for their companies. So we choose to use Smart Power to be able to protect their investment.
Okay, I'm Carl Scheit, and I work for Austin POS in Austin, Texas, and I'm service manager. We use Smart Power UPSs mostly in the bars situations because the bars don't have usually enough plugs. Even when they're a brand new site, when they get installed, they don't put enough electrical plugs in, and we have to do a lot of sharing with compressors and coolers and blenders and the like. And when we put the Smart Powers in with our terminals, we never have any problems after that.
Price is right. It's not complicated. You know, other transformer companies or whatever power conditioner companies are really complicated with the the amps and trying to figure out what exactly you need. I don't need to figure anything out. My sales guys don't need to figure anything out. We add Smart Power to all our quotes now, and it's not even really an option. If the customer truly doesn't want to be protected, then we warn him about voiding his warranty and whatnot. But
yes, my name is Ross Patton, Revention Point of Sale Sales Manager. We've been using Smart Power, smart cords and power conditioners, battery backups for as long as I've been here, going on 5-6 years now, and obviously put them on every station that we sell. 85% of all POS problems generally are power-related issues, and you don't want to spend $10,000 to $15,000, $20,000 on a POS system and not protect that investment. Obviously.
So, Carl, what do you think of the technology as far as the Smart Power systems UPSs go?
Well, I think they're right there with the top three big dogs. As far as the ONIAC and Power of Ours and things like that. I think you're right there with it, and I think you're better cost effective, because I think really, unless you're going into the high dollar ranges, you're really, it's apples to apples really. But I think the Power of Ours and the ONIACs are a little bit higher priced than what they really need to be for what you're getting.
Yeah, a lot of customers don't understand what a UPS actually is or does. They think they're protected by having a UPS, and we try to explain to them that they're not truly protected, but they would think they were protected. So if they want to buy a UPS, we would sell them a UPS just off the shelf, knowing that they weren't truly protected, only adding battery backup to their devices. And then Power Bar, which was extremely complicated, extremely expensive for the customer. They're big and bulky, can't mount them anywhere, especially in a kitchen video situation where your videos are hanging from the ceiling or the wall, power's on the wall. You now have to mount this giant Power Bar device, which as a former installer, I want it to be neat and clean. Smart Power allows me to do that. Longer extension cords and things like that just make it easier to use.
Oh, great.
Something very simple as a smart cord or a battery backup can save tons of money in the long run from any type of spike or dip in power. So we recommend them. We sell them. Every system that goes out the door gets them. And if you ask me if I would recommend Smart Power, 100% all day long.